Hey, look! I got a bunch of eggs. Did you know that chickens lay eggs? The outside layer of an egg is called a shell. See, it's really hard and it's a little bumpy and grainy. That's so nothing can get inside, no moisture or air. But wait, what's inside of an egg? Let's crack one open and see what we find. I've got our egg. Now remember, the egg shell has a hard outer layer, so in order to get inside, we have to crack it. Whoa. Let's take a look. A big yellow circle. That's called the egg yolk. What's around it is called the egg white. Now, the egg white has 40 different kinds of proteins and tons of water. The egg yolk also has water, but a lot less and a lot more proteins. An egg also has tons of vitamins and minerals. Why do we need eggs in baking? Well, the egg yolk and the egg white have tons of protein in them. And when protein gets heated up, they come together and build structures and shapes so that when you have cake batter or cookie batter, the heat makes the eggs join together and create one big structure. So the liquidy, gooey batter turns into a thing that you can bite.